What party would be complete without a bowl of fresh, golden chips? Enjoy them with dips, on the side with a sandwich, or just straight up on their own.
And the biggest and most popular brand in Canada is Lay's. PepsiCo Foods Canada, which manufactures Lay's potato chips, employs over 5,000 people and make 50 different varieties of potato chips. The Lay's brand has over a 60% market share in Canada. And the original chip is a classic, made with a trio of just Canadian potatoes, oil, and salt. Lay's are made at facilities across Canada, including here in their plant in Cambridge, Ontario. Lay's order potatoes grown specially for their chips. Boy, do they order a lot.
From coast to coast, we'll process about 480 million pounds of potatoes into Lay's potato chips.
That's enough to give a year's supply of potatoes to 4 million people.
We'll typically get trailers that have about 60,000 pounds of potatoes on them. So the fastest way and the most efficient way for us to get them out is to use a hydraulic dumper, which basically lifts the trailer up in the air and dumps the potatoes out the back end.
After growing and maturing for 120 days, the potatoes need the dirt washed away before they can begin their journey. After a bath, the potatoes are peeled. This machine can peel 20,000 pounds of potatoes in 1 hour. And it does a great job. You don't want any skin if you want a pure golden chip.
And nothing is thrown away here. They'll be turned into compost or go to farms for cattle feed. Before they can become chips, these potatoes must measure up for duty.
Our perfect size is about 3.5 inches and about 6 to 8 ounces. But in reality, we receive potatoes of, all different sizes.
Potatoes may have eyes, but they're not as sharp as these guys. In 1 year, quality control watches 1 billion potatoes pass by.
Something is not good inside or in the garbage.
Green potatoes don't get past Connie.
So now peeled and checked, the stream of potatoes spins towards the slicer to get chopped into thin rounds of potato. A quick wash with water removes some of the potato's starch. This makes the chip lighter and crispier rather than crunchy. Even the excess starch is put to other use. 4 million kilos is sent to other manufacturers to make products like paper and glue.
There's a constant stream of potato slices going into the fryer. They'll stay in the fryer for about 3 minutes, and when they come out, they're cooked to the perfect texture.
This fryer has a continuous flow of oil inside, and it's all controlled by a computer. If you don't have a high-tech fryer, you can still use a trick of the trade. Whatever you're frying, drop in a few at a time to keep them from sticking together, and you'll get a perfect texture.
And when frying up to 5,000 pounds of chips every hour, Lay's knows all the tricks for a perfectly golden chip. And no, this isn't a tanning bed. As the chips pass under the light, they're tracked by a high-speed camera. Any chips that aren't the correct size, shape, or color get shot into the bin with a quick blast of air. And now, the potatoes race ahead to get their third and final ingredient, salt. The chips are lightly salted to give the best flavor. The exact recipe is a secret, but the quality of the ingredients is essential to this chip's popularity.
And if you're wondering how all these chips stay intact, machines are close together so the chips never have far to fall. And the conveyors vibrate to and fro to move them along, which is more delicate than a regular conveyor.
Now the chips are ready. They're weighed, then dropped into a bag. It's only taken 10 minutes to turn a potato into a potato chip. 100 million bags of Lay's are made at this plant every year.
We'll ship over 7,600 truckloads of Lay's potato chips from this facility each year.
Now they're ready to be enjoyed at home, at a party, or on the go.
Fresh, crisp, and golden, this versatile snack is a timeless classic.
And go ahead, pass them around. There's plenty of them for everyone to enjoy.